Hello, how are we all? Hope we're well. Now, this is the part where you'd usually see me with whatever it was that I was making. I haven't done Adele and eaten it all before I film the intro. I probably still haven't learnt my lesson because I do it occasionally still, but this is not the case this time. I promise you, I didn't just eat it all and just forget to film it. I thought we'd just do a real easy, quick recap on creme brulee. Everybody loves making them, and some of you guys out there might not have seen it. I did make this into a short, but I thought, you know what? Let's put it all together and you can see it all as one. You can see from start to finish how it's made. So here is a quick step-by-step guide to creme brulee. Creme brulee is the ultimate test of patience, not only for when you burn the sugar, but also when you make the thing. I started this yesterday. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. First we need to warm the milk and the cream. That's 390 mils of cream and 100 mils of milk. To the cream, we add 1 vanilla pod. We cut it in half, we scrape out the seeds. Use the back of your knife and out they'll come. And also add the pod. Put this on the stove, and when it nearly comes to a boil and you see bubbles around the edge, take it off. While the cream is warming on the stove, we need to prepare the eggs and sugar. And all we need is 5 egg yolks. To your 5 yolks, add 50 grams of sugar. Beat it until pale. Oh, no. Your cream nearly came to the boil, but not quite. And then gently, we have to temper the eggs. So add a little of your warm cream, but only a little. Mix it together. Add a little more and a little more. And after about half has been incorporated, your eggs will be warm and you can add the rest of your milk. This will ensure that it will not scramble. Pour your mix into a jug for easy use. As you can see, there are a few bubbles on the top. Get the blowtorch out and they disappear. After 35 minutes, they've come out the oven, and you want them to have a perfect little wobble like jelly, just like that. And off they've gone into the fridge, the hardest part of a creme brulee, waiting for it to chill. We'll come back to them tomorrow. I've made it through the night without going to the fridge to eat it. A good shake of sugar and low heat on the blowtorch. Be cautious not to get too close, otherwise it will burn. Roll the sugar around and let the bubbles subside. And finally, it's crisp and ready to go. Oh, perfect set. Not scrambled creme brulee. Oh my God. This is all about patience, but my God, are you rewarded? Perfection. Oh my God, I can honestly tell you, it was so creamy and delicious, that creme brulee. And I mean, you just gotta have the patience with it, right? You know, make sure that that water bath is all the way to the line of your, you know, as close as it can be to your ramekin size sitting in there. Make sure that your dish is a little bit deep, and all of them things. Don't be impatient, don't turn the temperature up. All of them things just make for the most insanely creamy and delicious creme brulee. You know, before you take it out, it's got that little wobble, like jelly. I mean, yeah, I'm just thinking about it again. And I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should go make some. They are just next level. And if you made them for a dinner party, everyone will be like, yo, where'd this come from? They are top notch. So yeah, not the usual long form tutorial, step by step, just something a little bit different. And I hope equally as informative. That's it. That's this one for this week. It's a great one. Make it for your friends and family. Take it to a potluck. You know, have it for a special occasion. It's bloody delicious. And yeah, see you guys next week. Ciao.